Hello, my name's Dale Kreiser. I'm currently the VP of Education with Bellingham Toastmasters Club 60. This is just a quick introductory video to show our members how to sign up for the various meeting roles that we have every time we come together. So first off, you'll see right below this video is the link to the Bellingham Club 60.toastmastersclubs.org. And then on the left-hand side, you'll see is the logins. So you'll need to use your username and password that was assigned to you when you originally signed up. Once you've signed in, you'll see we've got the main menu, which talks about our club. And then right below the logins is the members only area. Once you've signed in, you'll be able to see the meeting agendas, the club email addresses. But I also want to direct your attention to the edit your profile. You want to go in there and maybe put in a quick blurb about yourself, as well as upload a quick photo so we can put a face with a name. So I'm going to go ahead and click on meeting agendas right now. And once that pops up, the first thing you'll want to do is make sure that the right meeting agenda comes up for you. If not, what you can do is here under View Another Agenda, it is a drop-down box, and you can choose the meeting that you're wishing to assign a role for. And as you scroll down, you'll see the areas and the pictures of the people who have already assigned various roles. But if you go down a little farther, you'll see currently there is a grammarian open, or a general evaluator position open for the upcoming meeting. So what you'll want to do is if you're signing up for a speaker and the position is open, do make sure to put in your speech title as well as the speech introduction. And this is how you want the Toastmaster to introduce you to the club. Maybe it's a little background on yourself or background on the speech. Then at the very bottom, you'll notice that there are some meeting notes. So if you're unable to make it, or something has come up, or where, and this will also many times show you where the meeting's going to be held. And that is pretty much the overview of how to sign up for a role. Feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions on this. Also, one last thing I want to show you is here at the very top. If you're running the meeting as a Toastmaster, you see you're going to have the agendas, you're going to have a lot of tools, meeting reports, and the sign-up sheets and such. So if you're running the meeting, do take a moment and see the various tools that are available to you. So anyway, I hope this has been helpful. Reach out to me if you have any questions, and have an amazing day. Bye now.